Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling the P0415 trouble code. If your OBD2 scanner pulled this code, it means there's an issue with the secondary air injection system's switching valve B circuit. Don't worry, I'll show you how to diagnose and fix it step by step. Let's get started. The OBD2 code P0415 indicates a secondary air injection system's switching valve circuit shorted, meaning there's a problem with the electrical circuit controlling the secondary air injection system's switching valve. Check engine light on, engine hesitation during acceleration, noisy air injection pump, poor fuel economy, failed emissions test. OBD2 scanner, multimeter, basic hand tools, replacement parts. To save more money on car expenses, purchase engine code eraser by clicking the description link below. The air injection pump will be placed at the front of the engine with a serpentine belt wrapped around it. First, carefully remove the air injection pump from your engine. Visually inspect the air injection pump's pump pipe and the connector for any damages. Use a multimeter to test the air injection pump. The standard resistance should be close to 0 ohms. If you get a high resistance reading, this indicates the air injection pump is faulty and needs to be replaced. Oxygen sensors are mounted directly onto the exhaust pipe near the catalytic converter. Locate the sensor that responds to slow as it ages. Visually check the oxygen sensors, electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. After completing the repairs, use the OBD2 scanner to clear the code. Take the vehicle for a test drive to ensure the issue is resolved. And that's it, you've successfully diagnosed and fixed the P0415 trouble code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive repair guides. Thanks for watching.